How to add a contact form in Squarespace. So to do that, head over and click onto this edit option and it will show you the whole website. So let's scroll down and let's select in here a particular section that we want to add a contact form. So let's add the section first and let's add a blank section for that. Or you can also automatically add a contact section. So if you have a blank section, you can click on this add block and then search in here for contact. Now you can search in here for some forms and then you can name this form based on the contact form that you want. Alternatively, if you want to add a particular section that's already a contact form, you can click on this add section and then from there click on this contact and they have some pre-existing templates that you can choose from on this list. For example, you can choose this one right here based on your liking. Let's choose this and as you can see, it will look like this already. So that's how you add a contact form in Squarespace. Hope you helped.